Welcome to the kitchen at Diabetes Every Day. Today we'll be preparing one of the recipes from my book, Diabetes Meal Planning and Nutrition for Dummies. And there's an important point here that I try to make often. It's a point about vegetables, the food group that should be making up a major part of our diet. Now, everybody knows vegetables are healthy, and if we're going to eat healthier, we should eat more than what we are currently eating. But there's often this idea that eating more vegetables means giving up good food. Just microwave frozen stuff and choke it down. You've heard this story from me before. Today we're preparing roasted Brussels sprouts. And if you've never had a taste for these tiny cabbage heads, I think this will change your mind. It's the same story. Invest about 5 minutes in preparation and the result can be incredible. More important, having a great tasting vegetable to look forward to. Our recipe contains just 4 simple ingredients. 1 pound Brussels sprouts with the end of the stem trimmed and the heads sliced in half. 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds. Preparation is even simpler. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the Brussels sprouts in a bowl. Mix the oil and vinegar. Drizzle the oil mixture over the sprouts and toss. Spread on a baking sheet. Sprinkle the sesame seeds over the sprouts. Bake uncovered for about 40 minutes or until the Brussels sprouts are tender and browning. Here we are, a vegetable masterpiece. You may have noticed that roasted Brussels sprouts have become popular in many restaurants over the past couple of years, and you're about to see why. The recipe makes 4 servings, and each serving is 117 calories, 11 grams carbohydrate, 4 grams fiber, 8 grams total fat, 4 grams protein, and only 30 milligrams sodium. Healthy eating is not difficult if you're willing to invest a few minutes to boost the flavors and textures of healthy food. If you used to spend 2 days getting a rack of ribs rubbed and seasoned perfectly, you can surely spare 5 minutes to see how fabulous these healthy vegetables can be when given a little attention. You'll be glad you did. Thanks for joining me here at Diabetes Every Day. And I should remind you that you'll find 21 recipes in my book just as good as this one. See you next time.